Samsung just dropped 5 new things at the Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event here, and I'm having 4 of them in my hands. That's the Flip7, the Fold7, and 2 new watches. So this is your first look at the latest Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7, which is Samsung's latest, slimmest and lightest flagship flip phone. The Z Flip7 now has a big 4.1-inch edge-to-edge cover screen, or the flex window as Samsung calls it, and this is now a proper 2600 nits 120Hz display. The main screen is also bumped up to a bigger 6.9-inch with a more bar-like form factor. And this is the slimmest Samsung Flip ever, and Samsung had to shrink the circuitry to get the slimness and still maintain water resistance. The Flip7 gets a 50 megapixel main camera with a 12MP ultra-wide sensor and a 10 megapixel front camera. Performance is handled by an Exynos 2500, that's a 3nm chip, so it should sip less battery, which you need not worry about, as this now has a bigger 4300 mAh battery, 2 storage variants, and 4 colorways that are Blue Shadow, Coral Red, Jet Black, and Samsung.com exclusive Mint. The Z Flip7 is starting from 1,09,999 rupees. And now onto the big boy, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7. This is the lightest and strongest fold phone that Samsung has made so far. The slimness has taken away the S Pen support but given it a lot more. It is now just 4.2mm slim unfolded, which is slimmer than the S25 Edge. The redesigned hinge is made to reduce pressure on the folding area, and this also has a wider outer and inner display. But the cameras are the real upgrade. The Fold7 now has a 200MP main camera from the Ultra with an improved 12 megapixel ultra wide, taking in 56% more light and autofocus, and a 10 megapixel telephoto. For selfies and video calls, there are 10 megapixel cameras at the cover and main screens. This gets the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite with Android 16 out of the box. There are 2 RAM and 3 storage variants, and this will come in Blue Shadow, Silver Shadow, Jet Black, and Samsung.com exclusive Mint colors. This phone starts from 1,74,999 rupees. And now let's talk about this one, the sleek and slim looking Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. It is 11% slimmer than last generation and has sapphire glass for toughness. There's a new sleep coach and running coach that takes data from your surroundings to give you personalized suggestions. This will come in 40 and 44mm casings. Now for the purists out there, this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic with the rotary dial. The dial is definitely the coolest part about the Classic, but it also has buttons to make it more functional. The revamped UI gives it a new depth effect while scrolling, and this is the world's first watch with Gemini integration. And the Classic will come in 46mm casing. Now the Galaxy Watch 8 series starts from Rs 32,999. And now the wild card, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 FE. It is Samsung's entry-level flip phone with a 3.4-inch cover screen and a 6.7-inch main display, a 50 plus 12MP rear camera setup, and a 10MP selfie camera. Exynos 2400 processor with 8GB RAM and 2 storage variants, also shipping with Android 16 with a 4000 mAh battery and black and white colorways. You will have to shell out 89,999 rupees for the Z Flip7 FE. So that was our quick unpack of the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event. Stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for overall coverage of this event and for more such cool tech.